This is the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. If you want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. Today we are going to look at a Feel Unique Beauty Kit. So for those of you that do not know, you get to pick some samples. These are deluxe sizes. This will cost you £12.95, plus there is a £3.95 delivery charge, although you do get that back in a voucher, so you can redeem that against your next beauty kit. Or you could do what I did. I actually bought a pack of these little Dear Delilahs. I think I had a couple, so I ended up paying like £5 or £6 for this in the end. Now this Dear Delilah, in my last beauty kit, we got a choice of the Dear Delilah little sample. Let me just quickly show you. This is in the shade Colour Teddy. I used it. I love it. It is very tiny. I just love the formula on this. Now, it's not a lipstick as such. It feels like a mousse consistency when you're putting it on, and it's more, I think, like a lip stain than anything, but I just really like it on the lips. It feels so, so nice. But I decided when I saw that they had a pack of 6 in different colours, of course I wanted to try them. And given the fact, like I said, I did have some money to come off of these from my previous vouchers, I thought, why not? So let me just show you the 6 colours that I quickly got. And I have to say, the ones that I've used so far, I really, really do like. So we've got this one here. This is like a sort of a nude colour. Quite pretty. This is quite a in-your-face pink, which is, I'm not keen on it, to be fair. But I'm not really that sort of brilliant pink sort of wearer. This is more of a muted pink. And then we have, my favourite colour is the red, which is lovely. It looks really nice on. We have another pink. This is sort of a mid colour, rosy colour pink. And then we have a darker sort of red colour. I hope you can see them. I don't want to swatch them because, as you can see, you only get a very little amount of product. So I wanted to try them, and then obviously I think in the Teddy shade I will probably buy that in the bigger size. But I'll save up a few more voucher P&Ps back first. So in my beauty kit, I love the bag on this. It's like waterproof, it's plastic, but it seems like really good quality. Something that you could use like if you're traveling or whatever. So I got another Dear Delilah in the same colour. This is in the Teddy shade that I showed you before, but this will be going in the December giveaway, so you guys can get a chance of actually trying it. So it's never been touched, not used or anything. So that is going to go in the December giveaway for you guys. I then got a Rejuvenating Night Cream. This is by OK. It's an overnight hydration, revitalizes. It's got lavender oil and shea butter. It's quite nice. This is a travel size. It's 15 ml. And this will be going in the giveaway. Next I got, what is this? Oh, this is a Burberry. This is a Fresh Glow tube. It's a nude, it's radiant, it's a 5 ml. So that's quite nice. I've never tried anything from Burberry before. Let's have a look. Okay, so it comes in a really tiny little tube. So I'm assuming this is going to give a bit of a healthy glow on the old skin, which it does do actually. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know if you're going to pick that up, but I can certainly see it for sure. There's no smell as such. Okay, look forward to trying that. Then what did I get? I got Clarins Extra Firm in Neck and Declarage. I can't say that word for the life of me. Cream This is a 50ml. That looks like that. See it? Oh, it smells really nice. It's just a cream. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh yes, I do like that a lot. Very nice. And last but not least, I've got the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye 96-hour Hydro Filler Concentrated. This is a 5ml. So on my eyes, my creams, I normally have been using Charlotte Tilbury. However, I don't feel like I'm getting the results that I probably thought I would from it. So I wanted to try something different. So I thought I'd give this a go and see how I get on with it. Okay, so I hope you agree that there are some nice picks from Feel Unique. I really do enjoy getting these, and I just think it's great to be able to sample little ones before you commit to the big sizes. Okie dokie, so that's all I've got for you on this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment down below what you thought of my picks this month. Okay, until I speak again or until I do the next video, please take care of yourselves and bye for now. Take care, bye.